I'm Nimrod Wambette from Uganda. I'm a small Arabica producer growing coffee for the organic and fair trade market. Together with the communities back home on the mountain where we grow coffee, we have sold our coffee for the last 13 years through fair trade, and we have earned benefits which we would not have earned through conventional trade. Fair trade gives us hope, which gives us the best price. It gives us premiums to plow back in the community. It enables us to meet the consumers, to meet the different players, to influence policy, and to campaign for a fairer and a cleaner world. So I'm privileged to be in Wales. Wales is the first fair trade nation, and we are encouraged by the compassion, by the love, and by the concern by the people of Wales for other parts of the world, especially the region which grow coffee like mine. Diolch.